Hi, I'm Chris from County Battery Services Limited. Today I'm going to show you how to change a key fob battery for a Ford Focus. Right, all you need for this one is a 3-volt lithium coin cell, in this case a CR2032. You will also need either a watch tool or a flat-ended screwdriver will do the job just the same, and of course the Ford Focus key fob. Right, let's get started then. Firstly, you need to put your watch tool or flat-ended screwdriver in the space provided, just like that, and then twist. It then pulls the key fob apart. You then need this bit here, which has 2 little clips either side. You can open either side, doesn't matter. So just put it in like so, twist, and just very gently it comes apart. And there we'll see the CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. To put the new battery in, you need to put the flat-ended screwdriver or watch tool into the right hand side. With your left hand finger, just release the pin a little bit and out it pops. And then discard the new battery safely in an environmentally friendly manner and replace with the new battery. It clips in like so. Just make sure it's in nice and firmly. Now, if it was other makes of models of cars, you would have so long to put the fob battery in. I think in the Focus you get at least 30 seconds, so you could. But what I would advise is not to leave the battery out for extended periods of time. Clipping it back together again, just in reverse, together like so, making sure both parts are together, and then just sliding back together onto the key fob, like so. For more information, visit www.countybattery.co.uk or give one of our experts a call on 01623 757 377.